So you can see the bowling area here in SM Bowling Leisure Center. This is near the food court, but I'm showing you the one is in SMC side because it's bigger. And also you can have a different kind of leisure where you can do ice skating and virtual reality archeries and games as well. But that one is from SM Bowling Center. So they have table tennis for 200 pesos per hour, 50 pesos extra for the racket, and 15 pesos extra for extra racket and extra ping pong ball. And then they have the bowling rates is 120 pesos per person per game from Monday to Friday. But Saturday, Sunday, and holidays is 130 per person. So they also have a special rate of maximum of 6 player, 550 per lane per hour, a maximum of 6 players from Fridays, Sunday, holidays, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. or 12 noon to 4 p.m. Monday. So the shoe rental will be 50 pesos. The billiards game there is 250, and they have the KTV for 200 per hour. So that's the billiard game. So 200 pesos per hour per table. And asan yung karaokehan, ma'am? Oh. So they also have the karaoke over there. Is 200 pesos per hour per room. And you can see it here. So they have 4 rooms here that you can rent out at 200 pesos per hour to sing. And then you get a table tennis. And of course the bowling, the 120 pesos on weekdays per person. So 120 per person per game on regular days, and weekends, Fridays, Sunday, holidays is 130 per person per game. And they serve snacks on the side, tacos, nachos, beer. So for those bowling enthusiasts, billiard enthusiasts, ping pong, table tennis enthusiasts, even karaoke enthusiasts, you can have your leisure time spent here in SM Bowling and Leisure Center. So they got a few lanes here. 16 lanes. So there's a computer screen monitor that monitors the scores. I could still remember the times when it used to be all manual. Even there's some little children, like boys, little boys that will pick up the balls and you write the score on a sheet. So you can borrow your shoes. I rent the bowling shoes here. If you don't have the proper shoes.